Hiya. Widgie Bushcraft here, again. Just taking the dog for a walk. I have this nature reserve, new wooded area behind me where I live. It's really quite nice. Still work in progress. The wood's been here about 5-6 years now. Where I'm walking now, it's mainly wildflower meadows. Really quite nice. Very lucky to have it on my doorstep. So, and yeah, not too bad. A few things for the kids, little assault courses and that dotted about. It's really nice. And sunset behind me over there. There she is, the famous Westie. But yeah, I brought my my little day pack with me. Might do a video on this sometime. Just tell you what I've got in that. And I think I might even make myself a brew. There's a couple of ponds with some benches. Make myself a brew. I was out here the other night around about this time of night, and there was an owl flying about. Really nice sight. So I brought my monocular, my camera, so no doubt it won't show its face tonight, but yeah, I might see if we can get some pictures of that. Behind me here there's a some lodges and a big fishing concern. Just putting a new load of lakes. Really nice. So yeah, all on my doorstep. As you can see in the distance there is all new forest. It's not a massive thing, but this time of year when it's all grown up, could do a bit of the old stealth camping in there, but there's quite a few people, dog walkers, walk through it, so have to be very stealthy. Right, I'm going to carry on. Might bring you back. Speak to you later. Welcome back. Need a shave. So, just sat near this pond. I've caught a glimpse of the owl. Actually, I can just see the owl now. You won't be able to see it, I don't think. No, it's too far away at the moment. But got my brew on. A little Esbit stove. Very lightweight. Really quite nice. Ooh. Owls just dived down for something. Don't know whether you'll be able to see, just bear with me. Ooh, excuse the hand. Hope you did get to see that, albeit in the distance. It could have been a sparrow for all you know. But yeah. Right, I'm going to nip off, see if I can get any footage or any pictures of it. See you in a bit. Well, it didn't come back, and I've watched the footage back, and yeah, could have been a sparrow. It was tiny, wasn't it? I'll keep it all in, so you with good eyes, you'll be able to see it was the best owl you could possibly think of, or possibly ever see. Right, I'm going to get off home. The girl's getting impatient. So, with your bushcraft, see you again. Signing off. Ta-ra.